So, hey guys, what is at the rate Spring Boot application annotation? So, basically, this is the primary annotation of the Spring Boot, which is used to indicate that this is the main class for our application. So, this annotation is basically the combination of several other annotations that are commonly used in Spring Boot. So, if I click on this and let's see here. So, basically, here are these various annotations that are being used, right? But these three are the important ones. These three are the important one, right? So let's see Spring Boot configuration, what this annotation does. So basically this is a specialized form of at the rate configuration annotation. So if I come down, you will see here annotation configuration dot class, right? So basically it is used to indicate that the class declares one or more beans and methods and may be processed by the Spring container to generate bean definitions and service requests for those beans, right? So this is the functionality of this address Spring Boot configuration. What is enable auto configuration? So this annotation does is that it enables Spring Boot auto configuration feature so that our Spring Boot automatically can configure the application based on dependencies. For example, if your class path includes S2 database, right? So what will happen is Spring Boot will automatically configure the data source for S2 by default, right? Now, other one is component scan. So, component scan is basically used to enable component scanning for Spring components. Like when we are using those annotation like at the rate service, at the rate controller, at the rate component, and at the rate repository annotation. So, what happens is that at the rate component scans our classes to see whether these are the Spring components and whether the Spring bean needs to be created in the container, right? So, this helps to register and discover beans during the application context initialization.